If you're looking for information on the Chatbase Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Chatbase Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Chatbase Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. What is Chatbase? Chatbase is a tool that helps developers build and train an intelligent chatbot. It allows for online and offline data to be used for training the chatbot. This is helpful for preventing errors in the chatbot's conversation. How does Chatbase work? Chatbase is an AI chatbot builder that lets you build, train, and embed smart chatbots powered by ChatGPT right on your website. Quickly train your chatbot with any online or offline data and embed it on your website as an iframe or support widget. Chatbase offers a drag-and-drop interface to create a chatbot that is tailored to your brand's personality. Key features: Chatbase. One of the key features of Chatbase is its user-friendly interface, which allows businesses to customize the chatbot's appearance and personality according to their brand identity. With just a few clicks, one can easily modify the chatbot's profile picture, theme, text bubbles, and even its tone, making it sound casual, formal, or humorous. Another noteworthy aspect of Chatbase is its adaptability to different languages. Supporting around 95 languages, it ensures smooth communication with customers across the globe. This remarkable chatbot builder also offers options for both private and public chatbot settings, catering to a wide variety of use cases. In terms of integration, Chatbase offers a hassle-free experience, allowing businesses to embed the chatbot on their websites using an iframe or as a chat widget, requiring just a simple copy-pasting of the HTML code. Additionally, the Chatbase API facilitates smooth communication between the chatbot and other apps, streamlining the workflow even further. Overall, Chatbase's powerful AI-driven chatbot offers a cogent solution to businesses looking to upgrade their customer support game, providing a smart and engaging communication experience for users. Chatbase Lifetime Deal Review. Chatbase is an AI chatbot builder that lets you build, train, and embed smart chatbots powered by ChatGPT right on your website. With Chatbase, you get everything you need to easily create a chatbot powered by ChatGPT to match your brand's personality. You'll be able to edit the base prompt to change your chatbot's vibe to fit specific projects or campaigns. That means your bot can respond in a casual, humorous tone or keep responses under a specific word count. Transform ChatGPT into an intelligent customer support chatbot on your website. Chatbase makes it easy to train your chatbot offline by uploading files like Word documents, PDFs, and other text files. You can use plain text to train your bot by copying and pasting info from non-downloadable sources like emails and text messages. Plus, your chatbot will be able to crawl your website for answers when responding to different support questions. Train your chatbot with data from any online or offline source. It's super easy to customize the look of your chatbot. You can add a profile picture, choose a light or dark theme, and modify the text bubbles. You can also change the chatbot's opening greeting, whether you want it to introduce itself, offer help, or provide different solutions. Add frequently asked questions as suggested messages so users can get answers without bogging down your support team. It's a breeze to customize your chatbot to match your brand's aesthetic. Best of all, you can embed the chatbot on your website as a widget or iframe by simply copy-pasting the HTML code. Once you enter a list of allowed domains, you can easily prevent your chatbot from being used on other sites. And you'll be able to use the Chatbase API to communicate with the bot from any app, streamlining your workflow. Create a chat window via iframe or a chat widget using a short HTML code snippet. Once you level up your chatbot with ChatGPT, customers will get the answers they're looking for right at their fingertips. Chatbase gives you everything you need to build your own chatbot, train it with online and offline data, and add it to your website. Upgrade your customer service. Chatbase gives you everything you need to build your own chatbot, train it with online and offline data, and add it to your website. Upgrade your customer service. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Chatbase today. One-time purchase of $29 only.